Hi learners, in the last episode we found the verb forms of the past tense in the active voice. We saw active voice happens when the sentence starts from the perspective of the subject. Subject is given prominence in the sentence. Today we are dealing with passive form of the past tense. When we give more importance to the object of the sentence and that object of the sentence is moving to the subject space of the sentence, and the original subject is moved to the object space of the sentence and it is added to the sentence with the preposition by. For example, I helped them. This is active voice, and the passive voice of that sentence is they were helped by me. By me goes to the object space. Now let us say some general important things about past tense passive voice usages. When we use passive voice, we found the object is usually going to the subject space. So it becomes very clear that only those transitive verbs which can take object can be used in the passive form. Intransitive verbs cannot be used in the passive form. Another important concept we should know that when do we use passive in our daily life, in our conversation, when do we use passive? It is used when either the subject is unknown, like somebody, someone, or generally we say people, everyone, like that. It is in the general, it is unclear. That is an example when we give importance to the object of the sentence and we use it in passive. For example, somebody kicked me. Into passive we say I was kicked. There is no meaning in saying about by somebody because I do not know the person. Sometimes it is so evident that who did it, then also we need not use the subject. We are not giving importance to the subject. For example, the police arrested him. In this sentence, everybody knows it is the duty of the police to arrest. So we use it in passive. He was arrested. We omit by the police usually. Other examples we can say somebody was burning the ship, but better would be the passive form. The ship was being burned. Another example we can say somebody had stolen my pen. We can say in better words, my pen had been stolen. Most importantly, we should note that when we use a sentence which has got indirect object and direct object, how do we use that sentence in the passive? Let us see a very good example for this. The guard refused admittance to him. Here admittance is object, to him is indirect object. In such sentences, either of the objects, either we start the sentence with him, him becomes he, or the direct object admittance, and the other object also is retained in the sentence. He was refused admittance by the guard, or we can say admittance was refused to him by the God. So, any of the object becomes the subject word in the form of the passive voice, and the other one is retained in the sentence. Let us see another example. Who taught you English? There are two different objects in the sentence, you and English. By whom you were taught English, or we can say by whom was English taught to you. Both are correct usages in the passive voice. Let us see the usages of the verb, the changes coming to the verb forms in all the four past tenses while using the passive voice. Let us take two examples. For example, I helped them. This is simple past and it is changed to they were helped by me. Were helped by me because this is verb to be form plus participle form of the verb. Second example, Sudhir gave money. Let us change it into passive. Money was given by Sudhir. Let us see how these verbs change in the continuous form. Past continuous form. I was helping them. They were being helped by me. The verb to be form is changed into were being plus the participle form were being helped. Sudhir was giving money. It will be changed into the money was being given by Sudhir. Let us see how it will be in the past perfect tense. I had helped them. They had been helped by me. Sudhir had given money. Money had been given by Sudhir. What would be past perfect continuous tense? For example, I had been helping them, or Sudhir had been giving money. There is no passive form of the verb in the past perfect continuous tense. There is no structure like I had been being helped, they had been being helped, money had been being given. There is no such structure in the past tense. See you in the next episode. Have great time. Thank you.